Not much grip now. These tires are, well, they feel more like hockey pucks now. Even when I apply any power, they're just spinning. I just received some new drag radials, and we're going to be going to some Mickey Thompsons. There's one in the car already. I made some space for the other one. I'm really hoping with these I get into 3.7. I'm being very hopeful. Let's find out. Let's go to the tire shop, put these on real quick, and let's see how this car handles and how it pulls, how it grips. General performance of this tire. All right guys, so the tires are put on my car already. They look amazing. I'm really happy with them. They're cleaned up already. I already set the pressure to 32 psi. Right off the bat, I can tell you guys that these tires are a lot wider than the ones I had before. They're pretty much even with the wheel all the way on the edge. The other ones kind of tapered in a little bit, so they weren't as wide. So that's the first thing I noticed when I actually received these, that they're wider than the Nexans. So the Mickey Thompsons are be a good choice. That's why I went with them, and I'm really anxious to try a 0 to 60 right now in the quarter mile time. I'm not sure where we're gonna get, but let's go ahead and give it a quick shot. Let's try a second gear pull real quick. Let's see if it hooks up at 30, and oh yeah, guys, this is grip. How much grip? I don't know. We're gonna find out right now. The way that fell, I think we might actually be able to hook up at 10 miles an hour. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. Once I get, right here's good. All right, I'm gonna slow down to a 10. Let's see if my car will hook up at 10 miles an hour. If it does, well, we're talking some business. All right, 10 miles an hour, right there. Here we go. Oh shit, hell yeah. It hooked up that 10, guys. That's really good. Now, I'm curious to see if we actually get a good launch. All right. It hooked up, but we got a 4.1. That's okay. I was actually expecting a little bit better than that. At 12.2 at 12 miles an hour. My 0 to 60 was a 4.1, and I know I could have got onto I could have hit the gas a little bit better. Let's find out. Let's try one more time. No guys, that was a 4.4. And that's what I was afraid of. Once it starts spinning, it was gonna pick up all the dust. So far guys, a 4.1, and it felt like I could have just hit it a lot harder from off the line. All right, so 4.1 with drag radials. I was expecting at least a 3.9, honestly, a 3.9. So far, what I can say is that those Nexan, the factory drag radials that come on the 1320, are hooking up better on the road than the Mickey Thompsons. But from a roll, the Mickey Thompsons hooked up better on a roll. That's kind of odd how on a roll hooked up better, but on a dead stop it's not hooking up so well. I don't know, you guys can give me an explanation about that, but I will try again. Oh no. Car is not hooking up so well right now. All right, so what do I think about the Mickey Thompsons for street use? For street use, they're okay. The traction I get off of that tire from a roll is really well. It does surpass the Nexan, but it does not surpass the Nexan on a dig race. Well, that's on a road that is not prepped. On the street, the Nexen is outperforming the Mickey Thompson. That's a definite for sure. And I'm 100% positive on the track that this Mickey Thompson is going to walk all over the Nexen. So with that said, guys, this tire is more oriented for the track. I did know that. So I can't really be knocking the tire too much because I'm not using it for its intended purpose, well, complete intended purpose. And what I can say is, would I buy that tire again? I'm gonna have to say no. I would stick with the Nexen or the Nitto NTT5R because most of my driving is on the street. But for those few instances that I actually do go to the track, I know that this tire is ideal and this is the best tire for the track. So there's a good chance that I might take these tires off or just not drive my car that much and just try to save these tires for the track, save my car for the track and get everything ready. And well, guys, let's get this car ready for Famoso. I'm really interested to see what kind of traction we actually get with this. I'm pretty sure on the track I should best the 3.8 seconds on the street. I don't think I'm even going to get anywhere close to it with these tires unless it's a prep surface. So for the most part, guys, I still like the tires. I just know what I have and what conditions are ideal for it. So with that said, guys, I would buy them again, but with intended use for track only. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys till next time.